Define green life encompassing environmental sustainability, ecological balance, and harmonious coexistence with nature. Briefly highlight the importance of green life for human well-being and the planet's health. Introduce the interconnectedness of various aspects of green life. Thesis statement: a sustainable and thriving future necessitates a global commitment to green life principles, encompassing conservation, restoration, and responsible resource management across all sectors of society. Biodiversity and ecosystem services, pollination, water purification, climate regulation. The impact of biodiversity loss and ecosystem degradation. Clean air and water for health. Food security and sustainable agriculture. Mental and physical health benefits of connecting with nature. Role of forests and vegetation in carbon sequestration. Sustainable energy sources in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Building resilience to climate change impacts. Reducing waste through the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Promoting circular economy models. Sustainable product design and manufacturing. Responsible consumption patterns and conscious consumerism. Protecting forests, wetlands, and other natural habitats. Reforestation and afforestation efforts. Restoring degraded ecosystems. Wildlife conservation and combating poaching. Organic farming and agroecology. Reducing food waste. Sustainable livestock management. Promoting plant-based diets. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy sources. Energy efficiency and conservation. Decentralized energy systems. Public transportation and active mobility. Walking, cycling. Without green life in Earth together and preventing erosion. Without them, topsoil would be washed away by wind and rain, leaving behind barren landscapes. The soil's ability to retain water and nutrients would also be severely compromised, making it even more difficult for any life to survive. Plants play a vital role in the water cycle through transpiration, the process by which they release water vapor into the atmosphere. Without this, rainfall patterns would be altered, and many regions would become arid deserts. Water purification through natural filtration by plants and wetlands would also cease, leading to widespread water contamination. While the land would suffer immensely, the oceans would also be drastically affected. The increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would be absorbed by the oceans, leading to ocean acidification. This would devastate marine ecosystems, particularly coral reefs, which are vital nurseries for many marine species. Shell-forming organisms would struggle to survive, and entire marine food webs would collapse. The combined effects of atmospheric changes, climate chaos, food web collapse, and habitat destruction would trigger a mass extinction event, wiping out the vast majority of life on Earth. The planet would become a desolate and inhospitable place, incapable of supporting the complex ecosystems we see today. In essence, a world without green life would be a world without life as we know it. It would be a barren and hostile planet, utterly transformed from the vibrant and diverse Earth we currently inhabit. The existence of green life is fundamental to the very habitability of our planet.